Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Welcome to another weekend product review. I received the other day a new item from my friends over at 3VGEAR. 3VGEAR, Veni Vidi Vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. I love that catchphrase. This is their new VELOX 2 everyday carry tactical backpack. It's a VELOX 2 because there's updated versions for the year 2022, and I'll show you exactly what they are. Comes in different colors, and the tan one doesn't have the updates, but every other color does. I'm gonna open it up for you right now. We'll check it out. I chose the olive green because I always get FDE in everything that I have, and this would be a little bit of a change. The next step up is the Paratus model, which I did a review on first. Comes with the patches, the 3VGEAR, also the American flag, and this is designed in a new clamshell type format. I'm gonna attempt to put everything I have here into this bag, just so you can see it a little bit better. I've got my tactical pants over there with the knee pads in there, a pair of BDU camo pants, some earplugs, a taser gun, a couple of pepper sprays. It's just what I had lying around, you know what I mean? Some tactical gloves, which are slash resistant, and I just got these two new 1030 mags for my AR that have custom logos on there. I just think that's pretty cool. I'll put these mags in there. Got my law enforcement badge with me. I'm retired. Some earplugs, a knife, some tactical flashlight, stun gun, ASP expandable baton. When you're out in the field, you don't know if you have to clean and maintain your weapons, and so I got a punch kit here as well, along with a base plate. So I'm going to put all this stuff here just so makes it more a little puffier, so I can show you the features. So I got everything in there, and I could still put probably double as much, you know what I mean? YKK zippers, administration area, pens, knives, whatever you need. This is a 28 liter or 27 liter bag. Also back pockets for your hydration pack. The new updates for 2022 are the reinforced nylon shoulder straps here for more durability, as well as a double padded type grab handle. The grab handle is always very important, right? Because you use it to carry the entire pack when you're just gonna lift it up and go. And so this needs to be very durable. So this is an updated grab handle. As you can see, the mole system over here, you can attach different mole accessories to the outside. Comes with the patches and the Velcro. Another new is the the strap management system is the new updated version, so your straps aren't flying all over the place. You know, you can coil them, roll them up, or place them with these straps over here. You can tighten when necessary. Helps to balance the weight, you know. It has on the shoulder straps, it has the torso or sternum strap, as well as the waistband if you wanted it. So there you go, see? Strap management system right here, so that it looks nice and neat, not unkept. Has a molded rear padded in the Veni Vidi Vici logo over here. This is very smart. Put your keys here, other things, loop your hydration straw through any of these areas here, right beneath the sternum hooks, the sternum strap. So because I'm a little guy, I have the shoulder straps pulled all the way, and so the rope was the strap was all the way down to here, right? With this management system, you can fold it up so that it doesn't get in your way, like so. See how this is? See how long this is? This is at the limit already, almost at the limit. And you can fold it like this so that it doesn't dangle and make a mess. And it's velcroed with the hook and loop system so that it stays out of the way. Nice and neat. So there you go. I'm ready to bug out now. This is my everyday carry, my EDC bag. I can put anything I need in it. You can still put a ton of stuff in here. Looks really sharp. Everything's very clean. Everything's put away. There's no dangling straps anywhere to get caught anywhere. And very well balanced too. I feel like it's not even here, especially with this sternum strap over here. It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to check out 3VGEAR. Fantastic bags. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
How about the lining?
Tactical.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.